Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Cramps normally appear after intense physical activity, when your body isn't able to absorb the oxygen necessary in order to produce the glucose oxidation, and there is an excessive accumulation of lactic acid. The lack of minerals such as magnesium and potassium is another cause. Excessive sweating depletes these minerals and electrolytes, causing cramps. Other common causes are diabetes, exposure to low temperatures, circulation problems, hypothyroidism, bad posture, anemia, stress. In order to avoid cramps, you need to follow some simple tips. First of all, you should drink lots of water, both before and after physical activity. If your cramps are caused by a lack of electrolytes, you should eat foods that are rich in magnesium, sodium, calcium, and potassium. Fruits and vegetables such as celery, cress, carrots, banana, tomato, and citrus fruits, which contain vitamin C and improve circulation. Stretching exercises can also help due to the fact that they improve the communication between your sensory and brain receptors. Here are 3 easy juice recipes that help prevent cramps. Recipe 1. Wash 3 celery stalks and blend them with a little water. Mix well. Next, squeeze an orange and mix it with the celery juice. Drink 1 cup a day. Recipe 2. Wash, peel, and juice a tomato. Next, pour the juice in an ice tray and put it in the freezer. Finally, wash, juice, and peel 1 cucumber and 2 celery stalks. Strain the juice and add the tomato juice cubes. Try decorating your drink with a sprig of parsley. Drink 1 cup every morning. Recipe 3. Boil 2 spoonfuls of ginger in a cup of water for 10 minutes. Let it cool and drink a cup before going to bed. Do you suffer from cramps? Have you tried any of these recipes? Tell us what you think. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.